Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the price movement over the past couple of days has been very, very bullish. I can't imagine anybody saying that, from where the price was not that long ago to where the price is right now, that this wasn't a good, solid move. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at, what is the value? $6.25. Why is $6.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $6.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying this will happen, but let's say the price comes all the way down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would the chart still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, then the overall stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $6.25. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? So as you can see here, having to scrunch up the chart here quite a bit, but this is always a good problem to have. So as things stand right now, price got it right there at 675, initial area of resistance. So that makes sense why the price struggled there. If the price can separate from 675, the next key overall one up there at $6.95. So there's no doubt about it. The past couple of days have been very, very bullish. Now things just transition to that question, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.